Greetings, fellow citizens of Shelby County. I'm Dr. Bruce Randolph, the Health Officer, Shelby County Health Department. I just want to give an update and have a few words pertaining to the Health Directive that was issued yesterday, April 14th, that will become effective on April 17th at midnight. Main thing I want to just highlight some of the changes. Of course, we're strongly emphasizing and encouraging those who are age 16 and older to get vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine. And for those who are 18 and older can receive the Moderna. And we really strongly encourage everyone to do so that we can do more. We know that there are benefits from being vaccinated. You can be around others who have also been fully vaccinated and not have to wear your mask or maintain social distancing within your household or among people who you know. If you're vaccinated, you don't have to go into quarantine if you're exposed to someone, if you're not having symptoms. If you're vaccinated, you can also travel without being quarantined. So there are some benefits. You can spend time with your loved ones who have also been vaccinated. The other thing pointed out in the Health Directive, landlords, as I mentioned on Tuesday, will be required to provide their tenants information about resources that are available before they evicted, so that these individuals, particularly if they have been placed in isolation or quarantine, are not just put out on the streets, but that the health department are aware so we can make the appropriate plans and the appropriate resources available for those individuals who need to be in isolation or quarantine. We are opening up buffets, and we're encouraging all establishments who have buffets to make sure that they have signage and have available stations where customers can sanitize their hands prior to going to the buffet to serve themselves. I want to point out that also customers must wear their mask while going to the buffet. We're allowed that the mask is removed while sitting at the table and actively eating and dining, but when you get up and move around while going to the, such as going to the buffet, you ought to have on your mask, as well as if you're just sitting as complete your meal and you're just talking and fellowshipping, you should wear your mask. We also are allowing indoor dancing as well as outdoor dancing, but we also requiring that you still maintain your social distancing and of course wearing your mask as well. But we feel that it is permissible to do so. And the other thing that I want to emphasize to establishments, event organizers, if you're planning an event, use the Health Directive as your guide for implementing the appropriate preventive measures to be able to operate safely. And if you do that, you should develop a plan, have it available if called upon, but you do not have to submit it to us for prior approval unless it involves more than 500 people. And that would allow people to operate, function. We're getting a lot of requests for review of plans that oftentimes involve 50 to 100 people. And we believe that the Health Directive provides adequate guidance if people adhere to it. And we're asking and requiring that you do. The other thing is that you remember the last time I spoke earlier this week, we had mentioned the fact that we were exploring, examining the data to see what changes we would make with the relaxing of some of the restrictions. And we're still continuing to do that and to monitor. The news about our latest data certainly caused us to pause and make sure that we're looking closely at what things that can be relaxed and what things that we must continue to have in place so that we can remain healthy and safe, and more to come on that.